All states in the country have legislative and executive power, albeit to differing degrees. The Constitution accommodates concerns specific to a particular state by providing for arrangements which are specific to that state. Articles 371A to 371J are examples of special arrangements for different states. This is a feature of asymmetric federalism, like Article 370, which became applicable to Jammu and Kashmir on the adoption of the Constitution. The state of Jammu and Kashmir does not have internal sovereignty which is distinguishable from the powers and privileges enjoyed by other states in the country. And eighth, the limited question before the Constitution bench in its decision in Premnath Kaul was whether the monarch held plenary legislative powers after the Constitution of India as it applied to Jammu and Kashmir was adopted in the state, but before the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir was adopted. A decision is an authority for the proposition which it decides. The question whether the state of Jammu and Kashmir retained sovereignty upon integration with the Dominion of India did not arise in that case. The next issue which we have addressed is the challenge to Constitutional Order 273, CO 273. To answer this issue, we had to decide on two issues. One, whether Article 370 is a temporary provision, and two, the effect of the dissolution of the Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir on the scope of powers under Clause 3 of Article 370. We have held that Article 370 is a temporary provision on a reading of the historical context in which it was included. Article 370 was introduced to serve two purposes. First, the transitional purpose, to provide for an interim arrangement until the Constituent Assembly of the state was formed and could take a decision on the legislative competence of the Union on matters other than the ones stipulated in the instrument of accession and ratify the Constitution. And second, a temporary purpose, an interim arrangement in view of the special circumstances because of the war conditions in the state. See, we have held that a textual reading of Article 370 also indicates that it is a temporary provision.
From breaking news, detailed analysis, in-depth interviews and explainers, follow the Times of India. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like our videos and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest.